Bitcoin money truly has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, or so they explicitly thought. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $214.77, or so they really thought. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20 in an unpretentious way. The truly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part is at $77,954,418, or so they by and large thought. 15 October 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, most certainly is BCH a truly wise venture, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they in a real sense thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly profound into the BCH specialized examination, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the kind of current economic situations, exhibiting how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20 in a huge way. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,056,887,880,723. So yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the BCH specialized examination, especially let us in a real sense discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations. Showing how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20, or so they certainly thought. The truly all-out exchanging volume really remains at $16,142,267,714, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an extremely huge manner. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61% in a fundamentally significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, showing that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a cost difference in 1.54% inside a similar time period, kind of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours. Showing that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is very critical. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.36 and right now exchanging at 49 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, fundamentally further appearance how XRP, the very local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.36 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. These occasions explicitly show that the market by and large is going in a by and large descending course for commonly present moment, showing how market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,056,887,880,723. So yet prior to jumping profound into the BCH specialized examination, generally let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situations, exhibiting how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20, which for the most part is very huge. As of now, an extremely broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers by and large become kind of more truly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20, or so they fundamentally thought. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors sort of move pretty dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of additional appearance. How these occasions really show that the market in a real sense is going in a for the most part descending course for kind of present moment, showing how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital money market to $1,056,887,880,723. So yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the BCH specialized examination, explicitly led us by and large discussion about the essentially current economic situations. Exhibiting how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in an unpretentious way. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The essentially current Bitcoin money value sort of is $214.77, with an exchanging volume of $77,954,418 in the beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious way. As of now, BCH generally is somewhere near 0.63% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,194,969,672 United States dollars, or so they really thought. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 15 October 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, basically made sense of beneath, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, essentially further appearance, how XRP, the especially local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 0.36 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in a quite enormous manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEXRSI, moving most certainly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving really normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the Bitcoin money, exhibiting how following truly are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The extremely current Bitcoin money cost most certainly is $214.77. With an exchanging volume of $77,954,418 in the by and large beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While BCH's Williams percent R pointer generally is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, certainly signal especially is essentially conceivable at this reach, showing how Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on. Or so they for the most part thought. The especially relative strength list